Junior Animators, and welcome to your first ever online class for animation. We are on YouTube. I mean, isn't this crazy? Am I famous? I don't know. First episode is called Magic Paper. I think I can see myself in the reflection. Today we're going to make a piece of paper, roll up into a ball, then we're going to put a little object inside it, then the ball is going to open and the object's going to come out as if it just came out of the air, like magic. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh no. Outtake. Blooper. Anyway, today we're going to revisit all of the things we've already learned. We're going to use Stopmotion on an iPad. We're going to keep it still, and we're going to need a couple of things to get this animation started. We're going to need a piece of paper. It's got some drawings on it, but it doesn't really matter. And you're going to need a little object. I'm going to show you how to do this on the iPad, and then you're going to have a go. Best of luck. You're going to open up your iPad, and we're going to use the same program we always use, which is Stopmotion. Yep. Once that's open, we're going to go up here to Gallery, click, and press the little plus sign to create a new project. Easier said than done. Very good. Now remember our little settings tool down the bottom here. Press on that. Change your frame rate from 12 FPS, frames per second, to 25. Whoops, that went too far. Perfect. For this exercise, we do not need to put on the grid lines, but thank you for asking, some of you clever little kids out there. Now we should be ready to go. Remember to set up your iPad in a spot where it's not going to get knocked. I'm going to set mine up here. I'm going to make sure that my camera is facing the right way by pressing the little camera tool up the top and selecting back camera. Sometimes it's going to put a little weird square in the middle. That means it's trying to focus. So to jog your memory, we're going to press done up the top. Now we're ready to take how many frames? 50. Okay, and go. And always remember, change your frame rate from 12 to 25 frames per second, or FPS for short. Take 50 shots in the beginning, whether that is with or without the object, and try not to move the iPad. Thanks guys, can't wait to see what you did.